Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. I appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are so amazing. Today guys, I'll be showing you a recipe of how I achieved this bread roll. You can as well call it dinner roll. You can see how fluffy and soft it is. And guys, the taste is so yummy because I didn't add any water in it. I made this bread with only liquid milk and powdered milk. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. Welcome back guys. The measurement of all the ingredients I will use will be there in the description box below. I'll be using milk, flour. I will also be using 2 eggs room temperature, butter. I will be using nutmeg. This is what nutmeg looks like, but I'll be using this small one. So guys, I will also be using vanilla essence. I'll be using sesame seed, a little bit of salt, yeast, powdered milk, and sugar. So guys, I just added my butter inside my liquid milk, and I will microwave this for just a minute because I want to get it to be lukewarm in temperature. I don't want it to be too hot, I don't want it to be cold, but just lukewarm. So the reason is for the yeast to be able to activate. So guys, with this I will go in and start adding the rest of the ingredients. First of all, I will start with my cup of sugar. You can increase or reduce the sugar quantity you're using depending on your taste bud and how you want it to be sweet. So the next thing, I will follow it up with my vanilla. I have at least 1 tablespoon of vanilla in here. Then the next thing I will add is my yeast. This is 50 grams of yeast, at least 2 tablespoons of yeast. Now give it a good stir, and after that use your nylon and cover it and keep it aside for 10 minutes so that the yeast will activate. Moving over to the dry ingredients, I will start by sifting my flour. Then once you're done sifting the flour, you add in your powdered milk. Now I will grate in my nutmeg, which is also optional, but it will give it a great taste. Now throw in your salt. Coming over to the liquid mixture, which is my yeast, my butter, my liquid milk, and my sugar. You see how the yeast is looking. It has activated very well, ready to go in. I will just pour it inside the flour mixture. So guys, if you're still watching up to this extent, please do subscribe if you are not yet a member of this family, and also give this video a thumb up. Now I will go ahead and add in my 2 eggs. You don't need to whisk it guys, but if you want to whisk it, go ahead and whisk it before adding it. But this is a simple recipe, okay? You don't need to mix anything with your machine. The only thing you need is your spatula, your hand, and your bowl. So guys, I will go ahead and give it a good mix. At this point, I will remove my spatula and continue with my hand. Just mix for some seconds, then you transfer it to your work surface. I will first sprinkle some flour on top of my surface so it will not be so sticky. Then I will transfer my batter on it. Yeah, once you are done transferring your batter, you start kneading it. You have to knead this for at least 10 minutes guys. Since you are doing everything with our hands, we have to knead it and knead it and knead it for 10 minutes guys. Now it's no more sticking on my palms and it's a little bit stretchy. That's what we are looking for. So I will drizzle some vegetable oil inside my bowl and use my brush to spread it around like so. So once you're done spreading your vegetable oil, just throw in your batter and cover with a nylon. Keep it aside for 45 to 50 minutes till it doubles in size like so. You have to bring it out now. Can you see that heat inside? That's what you are looking for. So you have to knead it again for at least 5 minutes. So I just flip it over and bring it out and start kneading it to remove all the excess air inside. So guys, once you're done kneading it for 5 minutes, you divide it into smaller shape. But first of all, let me show you how it's looking already. It's a bit stretchy now. As you can see, it's stretchy. This is exactly what we are looking for. So we go ahead and start molding it. So I will go ahead and divide mine into 8 smaller shapes. Please try to make it uniform so that it will cook evenly. Yeah, once I'm done dividing them, I will push it aside and start taking it one by one. And this is how I roll mine. You can just knead it into round shape, square shape, any shape you want. But this is how I will be doing mine. Just roll it straight with your palms, then coil it and tuck in the edge. Like so. Then after that, transfer it into your baking pan. Now go ahead and apply your egg wash on each and every one of them. Guys, this is just egg that I whisked. There is nothing inside it, okay? So I will apply it generously. And once I'm done, I will sprinkle my sesame seed on top of them. You can use chia seed, you can use flax seed, you can as well leave it like that. Then the next thing I will be doing now is to cover it and allow it to sit for 30 minutes. Then I will pop it inside my oven and bake it for 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, guys, this is the end result. So guys, here comes our dinner roll, our bread roll, our milk roll. It's still a bit hot, but I will go ahead and dive in. So guys, just to show you how the inside is looking like, I will open this one now. So this is how it's looking. Very fluffy and yummy. So let's test it. Nam nam nam. Oh, I will go ahead and enjoy this with a cup of Nigerian tea. You know what I mean? So thank you so much guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please share the video, thumb up, and stay blessed. Bye.